Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting your camera to its highest native resolution and choosing a frame rate that fits your project. Once done, flip into manual exposure so you control shutter speed, aperture, and ISO rather than the camera guessing. Make sure the lens is clean and the camera is stable on a tripod or flat surface to avoid blur. Replace batteries and use a constant power option if available. This prevents mid-shoot shutdowns and keeps performance consistent while you proceed. Next, dial in exposure for clean, detailed images. You want shutter speed roughly double your frame rate to keep motion natural. For 24 FPS, use 1/50. Then drop ISO as low as possible to reduce noise, compensating with aperture or light if needed. Choose aperture for the depth of field you want, wider for subject separation, smaller for more scene detail. For sharpness, switch to manual focus with peaking or magnification and use zebras, or the finish by optimizing image capture and preparing for post. Shoot in the camera's flat or log picture profile if you plan to grade, because it preserves highlight and shadow detail. Otherwise, choose a neutral profile. Record with native lenses and capture clean audio simultaneously. Once you import footage, apply modest sharpening and noise reduction, but preserve midtones. If footage is noisy or soft, troubleshoot. Reduce ISO, increase lighting, reconfirm focus calibration, or try a different lens. These changes usually solve most quality issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.